Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hey, it's May. Since you're here, can you please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, because it's kind of a new channel, so I would truly appreciate your support and you won't regret it. Okay guys, so in today's video I have a clothing haul. I kind of did some online shopping, so let's get started with the video. Made a purchase from H&M at 2 a.m, like literally 2 a.m, and it arrived same day at 1 p.m. Like, I was super surprised at how fast they are. Like, that was like the fastest delivery ever, like for me at least. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by H&M. They don't even know I exist, and yeah, that's like truly my honest opinion. The delivery was like super fast, so like I had to mention it. It's a huge box, okay? Like, look at this. So I'm super excited guys to open it with you, so let's get started.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
No, okay. Ta-da! Okay, so yeah, I'm super excited. So first thing we have is this. I don't know what is this, but like, let's open it together. The packaging is, you know, like a normal H&M packaging, nothing like, yeah, nothing new.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay guys, so first thing we have is, okay, first thing we have is this adorable, like super cute puffer jacket. It's black because I love black, you know, like it suits winter, and it's not like a coat, but it's longer than like a normal jacket. It's kind of like a long jacket, but not a coat, I think. I'm gonna do a try on at the end of the video, so if you want to see that, stay tuned, okay? So it's like a puffer jacket. Okay, the material is actually super nice. Like, it is super nice, and it's super like heavy. So yeah, I think, can you see this? Like, it's a puffer jacket. The pockets are also like super spacious, and yeah, if it's like rainy or snowing outside, like, this is a perfect jacket for winter. Like, are you kidding me? It's huge, it's heavy, it's like the material is super nice, like everything about it. I think this is like super adorable, so loving it so far. So this is like the first item. Okay, I'm super excited. Okay, oh, okay,
Why are you running? Why are you running?
think the packaging is not the best, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you the most items that I'm super excited about. Okay, good. Okay, look at this jacket. I'm in love, okay? Like, isn't this like the cutest jacket ever? It's a vibe, okay? I love it. I'm super in love. Like, the back is super cute. Outdoor camper 1990. Like, this is made of leather, so like that's an extra bonus point. Right? Material is super nice as well. Like, this is my favorite item. This is my favorite item, okay? This is my favorite item. Please tell me your opinion, like which one is your favorite, but like for me, I think this is my favorite. Okay, so third item we have today is another jacket for winter over summer, like any day, every day. So I bought another jacket because I'm super excited for winter. Okay. It's another puffer jacket.
Stop it. Get some help.
But hear me out, it's a different style. Like, it's a totally different style. Material is like super nice. Okay, look at the material. Please look at the materials.
Nice.
I love this sound so much. I don't know why. The material is super nice, and the jacket is super like heavy and thick, and the color is also like super beautiful. It has also a hood in it. This one is a coat. It's like a puffer coat, so yeah, it's a different style from the other one, because I feel like the other one is more like a jacket, a long jacket, but this one is, it's definitely a coat. It's actually super long. I think it's beyond your knee length. The thing is, I think it's super oversized for me. Like, I don't know if it is supposed to be oversized. This one is in the size small, but it seems super big. Like, I think it's not gonna fit me well. It's gonna to be like super oversized, but we will see about it. I love oversized jackets, to be honest. Like, personally, this is my style. I would definitely go for an oversized jacket, but this one is like an extra oversized. Yeah, it is like super huge, but other than the sizings, I think it is perfect. Wait, yeah, other than the size, I think it is super perfect. I love everything about it, to be honest. Like, the material is super nice. It's heavy. The color is amazing. Everything about it is perfect except for the size. I think it's gonna be super big. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna try it on and maybe it's going to be perfect. I don't know. But yeah, we will see. We have another item. So let me bring it from the box because the box just fell down on the floor. Yeah. By the way, guys, the jacket that I'm wearing today is from Bershka. It is like super soft and I am in love with it. Like, it is super cute. So yeah. Okay, so last item we have today is ta-da! Look at how cute those ear cuffs are. Like, it is super feminine, super cute. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing with you and show you like some of the stuff that I got from H&M. Hope you liked the video. Tell me in the comments down below which item should I keep and which item should I return, and which one did you like the most. Yeah guys, so yeah, bye bye.